This is the button we'll make this time. Start off by inserting the Button Maxi block. Add your text. From the sidebar settings, toggle typography and change the font weight to 700. Toggle the margin and padding settings now and change the top and bottom padding. To create those two circles, we are going to remove the button background and add 2 background layers for the canvas. Then we will make those layers circles using clip path settings. We are going to move the layer 50% from the top. Let's add a new color background layer and move it 50% from the top and set the 0 for the right value. For the first layer, we're going to add Custom CSS. Toggle Advanced, Custom CSS, and add Width Auto and Aspect Ratio 1. Now just copy and paste that for the second layer. Next, let's make the layers both a circle. Do so by applying a circle shape mask. Using the translate settings, we are going to reposition the circles. From the canvas settings, toggle Set Width to fit content. Set the height of the second layer to 300% and set the opacity to 0. We are about to create the hover effect now. For the first layer, we want to set the height to 300% on hover and opacity to 0, and the opposite for the second layer. That will create the illusion that the circle moves from the left to the right of the button. Let's preview once again. And our button looks great. Thanks for watching.